Hey everyone, it's Dr. Steinweg. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about a common sleep breathing disorder called obstructive sleep apnea. Obstructive sleep apnea is when a person lies down at night, their tongue falls back, closes their airway. This is often caused by an anatomical issue where there's not enough space in the airway to begin with. Obstructive sleep apnea, if untreated, is a serious condition. On average, it can take 10 to 15 years off life. That's double that of smoking. The good news is, if you have this disorder, we can help you at Clarksville Dental. Watch the full video to learn the signs and what you can do about it. Find it on our YouTube channel.